Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the details about the regression, one type of function available in the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic recursion. A function calling the same function inside itself is called the recursion. So we know that we have in C we have main program and function. The repeated tasks are kept in the function. Whenever we need, we can call this function from the main program. The objective of the function is repeated things are kept in function. It is a main program can be complex main program can be divided into functions. So we are calling the function from the main program. Suppose this function call itself inside. We are calling one function. The same function call itself again and again is known as recursion. We will see one practical example. Factorial of a number. Factorial of number. The factorial of number is nothing but, for example, 5 factorial. What is the meaning? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. This is a factorial of number. 5 factorial means start from 1 up to the 5 we need to multiply. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24, 24 into 5, 120. So this is the answer. So in this we are going to use this recursion. For example, we are having the function called fact. We are having the number 5. Right? This fact 5. So what we are doing, this number 5 is written. Again we are calling the function fact 4, that is 5 minus 1. This fact 5 will return 4 into fact 3, that is 4 minus 3. This fact 3 will call 3 into fact 2, that is 3 minus 2. This fact 2 will return 2 into fact of 1. So this 1 is 1. If the value reaches 1, we can stop the process. See now what happened? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that will get 120 as a answer. So this is the concept of the recursion. We are calling one function fact 5. That function returns 5, the number 5 into factorial of n minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. This fact will 4 return the number 4 into fact of 4 minus 1, 3. This fact 3 will return 3 into fact of 2, 3 minus 1, 2. Then this fact 2 will return 2 into fact of 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1. If it is factorial is 1, the return will be 1. Thereafter we cannot go, it will go to negative. So we can stop the process when the number reaches 1. So this is the concept of the factorial. So that we got 120. So now we'll see this program to find factorial of a number using recursion function. So first we'll include the header files. Standard input output dot header file, console input output dot header file. Now we can declare the function. This is called function declaration. Function declaration having 3 parameters. First one is the return type. What is the return type of this function? What is the function name? What is the argument need to pass to the function? These 3 values are available. So the integer, so the return type is integer. Function name is fact. The argument is integer type. So in the fact function we are sending one integer value, it will return one integer value. So these things are available as a function declaration. Now we can start the main program. Void main, we can open the braces. Can go for the function declaration and other statements. So we declare only one variable x, integer x. For integer x only we need a factorial. After clear screen, printf, enter the number. We ask the user to enter the number for which we need to find the factorial. Scanf %d and x. Address of x, %d indicates the integer type. So the user will enter the number that will be stored in address of x. Printf, factorial is %d. So this is indicates integer. Here fact x. What is the meaning of fact x? We are calling this function. Initially we declare the function. What is the data type? What is the argument? What is return type? What is function name? Now fact x means we are calling this function. This is called calling the function. When the calling function, the control will transfer to the function definition. So this is the function definition. From fact x, now control will transfer to the function definition integer fact x. Now we'll see what is available inside the function definition. Integer fact integer n. This is function definition. Return type integer, function name factorial, we have integer n. This x is the actual parameter. This n is the formal parameter. That means x is available in the main program. The copy of x, the value of x will be stored in n. The x value will be written as it is. There is a x is different and n is different. The value only stored in n. Now we can start the process to find the factorial. We are checking if n equal to 1. If n equal to 1, already discussed, if n equal to 1, we can stop the process. The answer will be, the return will be 1. Else, return n into factorial of n minus 1. We already discussed. 5 factorial means 5 into factorial of 5 minus 1 means 4. So n into 5 into, it will return 5 into factorial of 4. So again here the function is called. Already we call this function. For example, 5 means factorial of 5. It will go to console transfer here. N is also 5. It will check n equal to 1. Yes, not n is not equal to 1. Then it will go to else. Here 5 into factorial 4. What is the meaning? Again we are calling the function. That is called recursion. Function, the same function inside itself it calls. It's called a recursion. So again here we are calling the same function. So the control will transfer to this factorial. Again it will check n equal to 1. It's not 1. Now it is 4. So it will return 4 into factorial of 4 minus 1, 3. So it will return 4 into factorial of 3. Again factorial of 3 means again we are calling the function, same function. Again it will go like that. Until n equal to 1, it will call the function again and again. When n equal to 1, it will return 1. Right? Now we'll see this is here one example is available. X equal to 10. N means n equal to 10. X will be stored here. N into factorial of n minus 1 means 10 into factorial of 9. So again factorial of 9 is calling. Factorial of 9 means 9 into factorial of 8. Again we are calling factorial with value 8. That is 8 into factorial of 7. Like that it will go. We will go for one more example. X equal to 3 so that n equal to 3. Right? So we will check n equal to 1. It's not 1. N equal to 3. So it will return n into factorial of n minus 1. That is 3 into factorial of 3 minus 1 means 2. Right? So again we are calling this function. That means 2 into factorial of 1. Right? Factorial of 1 means again we are calling the function. Now this condition is satisfied. N equal to 1. What it will return? It will return 1. See this 3 into 2 into 1. The final answer will be 3 into 2 into 1. That is 6. So this 3 factorial is 6. We are getting the value 6. So here we call the function. It will check whether n equal to 1. If it is not equal to 1 means n into n minus 1. Factorial of n minus 1. That is calling the function itself again. The same function is called again inside. Again and again it will call. If it reaches 1, it will return the value 1 and stop the process. Right? Now return this 3 into 2 into 1, 6 is available here. That value will be returned to this function at this place. We are calling the function. N is transferred here. After process, the answer will return at this place. So here it is printed. Percentage mean the 6 will be printed here. So after getting the get ch, we can stop the process. So in this program we discuss about the recursion, one special type of the function available in the C program, that is calling the function itself. The same function call the same function inside itself is called recursion. For that we discuss the factorial of n. The factorial we need again and again we need to call the function. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.